Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use booking.com for flights. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for booking.com. Once you've done that, as you can see on this tab, there's going to be stays, flights, car rental, attractions, and airport taxis. Simply go ahead and click on flights right over here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and select if it is a round trip, one way, or multi-city. So for example, if it's a one way, for example from Kathmandu to Sydney on this date right over here, I can simply go ahead and click on search, and there you go. It's going to show all the prices and all the airlines that is going to be shown right over here, as you can see, and you can just select any one of it that you want to and go ahead and book it. You can also use these filters to go ahead and select if you want some specific things like carry-on bags, extra, and for example other things like alliances, for example layovers less than 0 or 40 minutes. As you can see, you can search for a lot of things like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.